OFW din naman.
Opo, galing Dubai.
Very nice. Maraming salamat. You know their numbers. You can see their numbers. Call them now. At nako, speaking of cakes, eto na po. Gorgeous Cakes. Haset Go ang chef. Pero ito namang partner niya, si Jason Carlos, ang medtech. Kaya ang tawag sa kanila, MedChef. Kagaganda naman ng mga cakes mo, Haset.
Oo, ito yung pinagpupuyatan ko gabi-gabi.
At teka muna, may chismis. Alis dyan. Itong langaw na ito. Okay, tell us something a little bit about the cakes.
Okay, so for example, ito, cake ko to ang tawag namin.
Cake
so ito
ko
yung
to.
bestseller namin. So
Ano
it's a
yan?
layers of chocolate meringue with chocolate ganache filling.
Wow!
Yeah, ito naman, sophistic cake. You know, it's made up of carrot and poppy seed cake. Ayan.
sarap.
Tapos ito naman, calaman zest
Kama-
cake. So layers of walnut meringue and with calamansi curd.
Okay.
Ayan. Ito naman,
Mango.
Night Sans Day.
Okay.
So para siyang sans rival pero may mangga siya sa ilalim.
Wow!
Okay, ito naman, banana in pajamas.
Okay.
Okay, layers of meringue with fresh banana slices and caramel.
And then,
Ayan. Chef and the Chocolate Factory, so layers of chocolate mousse
Talaga
and then
yung-
Oreo crust.
okay.
Okay, so ito naman,
Blueberry cheesecake.
very berry cheesecake.
Ayan.
Ayan, blueberry cheesecake pero New York style.
Yan, ito naman.
Okay. So ito naman, cake till you drop. So it's made up of chocolate mousse with brownie chunks.
Grabe, taas ito.
Ito ang pinaka-bestseller namin.
Ano yan?
Okay, it's a white chocolate fondue cheesecake.
Wow!
Ayan, for goodness cake.
At lahat ng ito available sa inyong MedChef, Jason. Sige, invite them please.
So, iniimbitahan ko po kayo, no? So, meron po tayo pa
Iba
pang
bang mga
Christmas.
pang-Christmas gifts,
Pang-Christmas
diba?
gift.
Saan ang MedChef?
So, ang MedChef po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo dyan lang po in front of ABS-CBN po, Mother Ignacia
Lahat
Street
ng
po,
mga
across
cakes
lang
na to
po.
meron?
Meron po.
Andito ka pa rin. Sige.
Tapos every Sunday market, meron kami sa Legazpi Sunday Market.
Okay.
And Facebook, add nila kami, Haset Go, Jason Carlos, and MedChef Homemade Cakes and Pastries.
Very nice. You can see their numbers. Call them now. Maraming salamat. Naku, kasarap po ng mga cakes and pastries na ito at lahat yan ay pang negosyo. Ito naman po ang mamaya isang klase ng pagnenegosyo ang ating tatalakayin. Pero dyan lamang po kayo babalik ang...
Umagang kay ganda!
Alisin mo nga yung tiya mo. Nakakawala ka naman ng respeto yan eh, oh. O, dali.